That is a felony punishable by up to 4 years in prison and or a fine of
Listen,
$5,000.
I have the right to threaten. I was poisoned. I said a long time ago, authorize a plane to land. I was poisoned. I have the right to defend myself to get out of this lane for terrorism. I have the right. Do you understand that, Judge?
Additionally, you've been charged as a fourth habitual offender.
Listen, I don't care about your charges. Judge, if you insult me one more time.
Person at the jail, what is your name?
You don't know my name?
Yes, what is your name?
You don't know my name. Who are you?
I'm Judge Wiggins. I'm the judge of the 84th District Court. I have a name on paper. I just want to confirm it's you. So who is your name?
You asked me what is my name.
Yes, what is your name?
You're under investigation.
That's what? I'm sorry?
You're under investigation for saying what is my name. You don't know who I am since I've been here?
Are you Yuri Alexikov?
That is he.
That is you?
That is me, yeah. That is he, that's me. This is the name I was given.
Were somebody from the defender's office able to meet with him today?
Briefly, he declined my help, but I would like to raise competency issues nonetheless.
I did not decline. I just asked for copy machines, I asked him to grab camera footages of body movements from these, see how to inspect body language, see if there's any kind of whispering while I was in that jail cell talking, like for 24 hours straight. If they did not record my threats I was making during that stay at the jail cell, if they didn't record, he said, I'm going to check systems in other copy machines. If it's how it was been made and built in other jails, if it's capable of recording, and I'll see who manufactures these copy machines. If it's erased from that capability to not record, if it's been erased, you guys will all be charged for tampering with evidence.
All right. Well, I have a process I have to go through, so let me get through that first. So I have a complaint that alleges that on or about October 8th, 2025, in the village of Buckley in Wexford County, it is alleged that you committed the offense of police officer assault, resist, and obstruct. That is a felony punishable by up to 2 years in prison and or a fine of $2,000, and consecutive sentencing may be imposed if it happened at a place of confinement. Additionally, you've charged with...
Guys, Lord. Investigation, my friend. Who you are, we're going to put you under investigation, honorable. You're not an honorable judge anymore. Corey Wiggins, you're under investigation. Who you are, who you have contact with it. You're government employees, so you're within the terrorist organization. We're going to find out because there's corruption involved. There's attempted assassination on me. I was poisoned. I have the right to defend myself. Any kind of Russia to be notified, any terroristic arrest. I said 7 months ago, you guys arrested terrorists. I said Russia has to be notified because I was poisoned. Any food given to me, I count America as there's terrorists. For corruption, you guys want to kill. So I want Russia to be notified, send a plane. You say, you already know they could just get the copy machines, get them and follow the orders. Follow the security I built inside me to combat terrorism and corruption. Thank you very much. And we will stand for the law. We will not bow down to filth and corruption in the system. We will not. We'll take action. We the people will take action. You're all, this county's under investigation. For attacking, for accusing me, Judge, you're under investigation. You understand? For threatening October 7th,
count number 2, you're charged with malicious destruction of fire or police property.
We're gonna monitor you. We're gonna see what you have because there was attempted assassination on me. All right? You better shut your mouth and sit. There's nobody.
That is a felony punishable by up to 4 years in prison and or a fine of $5,000.
I have the right to threaten. I was poisoned. I said a long time ago, authorize a plane to land. I was poisoned. I have the right to defend myself to get out of this lane for terrorism. I have the right. Do you understand that, Judge?
Additionally, you've been charged as a fourth habitual offender.
Listen, I don't care about your charges. I'm gonna, Judge, if you insult me one more time, do it. Tell me you're going to charge me. Contact Russia before you charge me. You're not allowed to charge me prior to any terroristic arrest. Russia to be notified. Did you notify Russia? You're under
That
arrest.
makes each of those charges
You're
punishable by up to
under
15
arrest.
years in prison.
Sit! Sit! I don't care about your charges. Sit, you terrorist. Corrupt terrorist. Sit! Sit!
On felony
Pig.
complaints, you have certain rights. You have the right to remain
I'll break
silent.
that
All right,
face in that
corrections,
screen.
corrections, you can
I'll
remove
break
him.
your
We'll try
face.
this. We'll try this at a different time. I don't.
Everything has now reached a breaking point. Instead of debating the defendant, the judge ends the hearing to restore order and keep the courtroom safe. That's a procedural decision, not a ruling on guilt or innocence. But here's the question. Was this an intentional attempt to derail the hearing? Or was something much more serious unfolding interview?
I don't want to endanger yourself.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You're not going to accuse me of any charges. You're not going to have victory in me.
This hearing shows how quickly a routine court appearance can spiral out of control when communication completely collapses. The charges remain. The legal process doesn't simply stop because a hearing is interrupted. It continues through the courts.